Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie. Candace is currently at the hospital, taking the morning shift, visiting with my mother for a couple hours. That's how we're going to do it for a little while. I don't know how much longer she's going to be there in the hospital. My mother, that is, not Candace. Candace will probably be there another hour or something. But yeah, that's just how it's going to go. Candace is taking the morning shift today. I'm going to get these orders pulled and packed, and then I'm going to go in at like 2 o'clock or so for a couple hours, and then I'm going to go again at 8 o'clock tonight before she goes to sleep for the night. So that's just the way it's going to be for a bit. We're going to keep this thing going. I'm going to fulfill orders, and then Candace is, when she gets home, she's probably going to list some of this garage sale stuff we got over the weekend. But yeah, we need to get right to pulling orders. Okay, first up, some micro machines on One Charlie. Easter holiday packs. I wonder if this is it. No, that's not it. I don't even remember ever seeing these Easter holiday pack things. So let's see. Hopefully they're in one of these boxes or something. Ah, this is them right here, I think. Here we go. Yep. I think four of these or something like that. I think micro machines, I don't think they were out when I was of age to be playing with that kind of thing, but man, they are so cool. I would have been all over those. Those sold for $19.99 plus shipping on top. Next order, Pocket 157. It's a head. I see it right here. Wow. Man, these heads are always so creepy to me. Oh, it's like a mask too. Look at that. This guy sold, this is a $6 million man. He sold for $10.99 plus shipping on top. All right, 10 Foxtrot Mikasa Bowl. Oh, it's this guy right here. All right. Okay, try not to bang this thing around too much. This is a, I think it's like a porcelain over metal is what this is. Yeah, really nice bowl. This guy sold for, how much? $34.99 plus shipping on top. They're on 6 Echo. Got this a long time ago. And man, I'm so glad it sold, because I was sure somebody would want it. Okay, these are programs from the Baton Rouge Little Theater in Baton Rouge, obviously. It's like, you know, it's pretty much amateur, it's a really good theater, kind of amateur, not like real pros, I think. Like most of the people that are all the people that act in these things, they have other jobs. I've known some people over the years that were part of the Baton Rouge Little Theater. And this is just a big stack of programs from different shows they put on. We got $26.99 plus shipping on top for those. Okay, CC11 right here. Sold another one of these chargers, so we have one left. I think we paid $7 a piece for these at a garage sale. I think we got 3 of them for $21. Well, this one sold for $31.99 plus shipping on top. CC2. Don't go to this box very much. But we're supposed to have Mission to Mars Fire Department right here. 176 of 1,000. It's not what it says on the title. I'm going to go into the description and make sure that's the right one. That guy sold for $47 plus shipping on top. And back here on 7 Bravo, finishing a buy off here. These gumbo bowls. These bowls sold for, I think, $71. We bought a total, careful with those. These are seafood gumbo bowls, and they have recipes and stuff on them. They're cool. We bought a total of 16 of those at a garage sale a couple months back for $20, and we've sold, I think we sold 2 sets of 4 for 71 a piece and 2 for 80 a piece. So that ends up being right at $300 that we got for those gumbo bowls. That was a heck of a buy. Candace saw those under a table at a garage sale. Okay, Tiger Drawer. We sold some Scentsy melts. I think it's these. Actually, what are these called? Baked apple pie. Baked apple pie. These sold for $19.99 plus shipping on top. All right, 10 Charlie. We sold a toss across. Is that what it's called? It's a bridge. This thing is it's parts only, or it's incomplete actually, not parts only. I guess $22.49 plus shipping on top for this guy. Then, and it says 10 alpha, but these are actually right here. What is that? We are looking for V. I might sit y'all down for a minute because this is probably going to be a little. Oh, well, nah, I might not have to. We got a bag full of these V posters right here. We're supposed to have like, I think 23 more left of these. So it is good to see some of these posters selling from time to time. I don't care if they sell fast or not. Individually, they don't take up hardly any room at all. This guy sold for $17.99 plus shipping on top. Okay, Bolo Drawer. We sold a Loyal Subjects. I think it was the yellow one. Yeah, Yellow Ranger. This sold for $7.19 plus shipping on top. And then we're going to One Echo. It says One Echo. Wait, hang on. I got to go look at this thing again. One Echo. Oh, it's Peanuts Happy Meal toys. And this is kind of cool because this is actually Echo right here. This is them. They're kind of out like that just now because this is one of the things we ended and sold similar not too long ago, like last week. This sold for $9.99 plus shipping on top. I need to get back on that. I only did it since this hospital thing's been going on with my mother. I've only did it, I think, twice. There's a few things, mostly all we did last week was get orders out. I did end and sell similar like 2 times, and Candace listed a few new things. Okay, similar story here. This was a bad buy, or a not, you know what, I won't even call it a bad buy because it's not that bad. But, oh look, I got a deck of cards up here. Oh, okay. This thing I paid $5 for. Whew, it may have been 2 years ago. Rad Easy Bike Hoist 2-pack. It's to hoist your bike up like to the ceiling in your garage or something to get it off the floor. Paid $5. We sold it for $14.99 plus shipping on top. Okay, 2 Delta. We sold a Ann. It's Ann, right? Some stuff in the way here. Let's see. Oh, the 2 Deltas right here. Here we go. A Hawaii midge. Yeah, it's A. It's not. I was trying to figure it out if it was supposed to be A or An. Hawaii midge. She sold for $24.99 plus ship. And supposedly on 5 Echo, we have some dog clothing, which we do. D12. That's the one it is. Oh, it's right here. There we go. Back to State Bark Club. It's a back to school shirt for a dog. This sold for $9.99 plus shipping on top. Okay, we're going back to 5 Echo again for a car. Oh, it's right here. SDCC is what it says on it. Why does it say that? SDCC usually means San Diego Comic-Con. Is this San Diego Comic-Con? I don't know why it says that. Okay, well, anyway, that's the right car. This sold for, what, $10, I think? Yeah, $9.99 plus shipping on top for that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this round of stuff packed up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, got that round packed. That took a little longer than I thought it would. Let's see, what time is it anyway? Holy cow, it's 11. It's after 11 o'clock already. Okay, 9 Bravo. This is a this is something I pulled off of. Pretty sure, I don't know if this is it or not. All right, let me see. It's supposed to be over here. It's like a, oh, I see it. It's basically just like an enclosure for some type of, I don't know. It's an electrical box thing, enclosure thing, that we had on the unlisted shelf for who knows how long. Sold that for $20.69. All right, oh boy, 4 Alpha Stars. This is a dog clothing item we had a lot of quantity of. It's going to be in one of these bags that are really difficult to see up there. Let's see. Ugh. All right, Stars. Okay, I think this is it right here. Throw this crate back up here. There we go. The only thing I'm not sure of is the size. Let's see. These say, this says medium on it. We've actually sold, we've probably sold about 3 or 4 of these over the past year. Size medium. Yep. Oh, 2. We sold 2 of those for $19.98. So I'm gonna get those out. Okay, it's these guys right here. Just a kind of a velour stars thing. I don't know. All right, on 10 Charlie, we sold another Barbie thing. Yo-Yo Barbie. Candace's Barbie buy. Here it is right here. Yo-Yo. Candace's Barbie buy is working out. It's taken just a little bit of time, but look. I think we've sold over half of those Barbies now. That one sold for $49.99 plus shipping on top. And since we have not been listing for much at all for like 10 days now, was very happy to see a couple of higher end sales go. One of them was A Hunter's Africa. This book we bought for, I think we paid $2.50 for this. I think it was originally $5 and we paid half price. Got $90 or $89.99 plus shipping for that. Then on 4 Charlie, we sold a made a nice Transformer sale. Let's see if I can find this guy. I should have looked a little better to see which one it was. I think it's this jet right here. Make sure there's nothing on there. Yeah, that's definitely it. Skywarp near complete. This guy sold for $99.99 plus shipping on top. And then one more eBay sale. I actually don't think we sold anywhere besides eBay over the weekend. I think this is all eBay. And these are falling. I gotta fix this. Okay. Over time, we've sold enough out of this thing to where it's pretty empty. But yeah, all we sold is on eBay, I believe, which is, man, that's crazy. Santa Fantastique sold for $9.99 plus shipping on top. And one reason I think why we're not selling quite as much on the other platforms, Candace, after we lost our top rated seller status, which we are due to get back in, I think, 15 days. We're going to get top rated seller status back because our predicted seller status says top rated now on the little control panel thing. Candace changed the way she was cross-posting everything immediately. And while that can increase sales a little bit, it also increases the chances of selling something on more than one platform at the same time. So I think she's changed to where she doesn't cross-list things until like a couple of weeks later. And what that means is your most desirable things that you list on eBay are gonna sell before they ever get cross-posted. So that's why, I think that's the main reason why we're not selling as much on the other platforms now. So let me get this stuff packed up, and I think we're done pulling orders. So packages are all away. Candace is home. She has been for a while now. We just ate lunch. I'm gonna be leaving in about 20 minutes to go to the hospital myself, hang out there for a couple hours with my mother, then I'll come back. I don't know what I'm gonna do after that. But yeah, I did want to also tell everyone again, we really appreciate all of the positive energy and the well wishes and the concern and everything that all of you have had for us during this time. It really means a lot. It feels good to read the comment stream and see all that. It's very cool. So thank y'all very much. It does not go unnoticed, and it is greatly appreciated. One more thing for this video, I want to talk about my friends Nick and Andrea Hills. They are UK reseller YouTubers. They've been around for a long time. Actually, one of the first channels I started watching whenever I started reselling, like seriously, I would watch Nick. I would binge watch his videos trying to figure out what to buy. I also, you know, there are definitely some differences between the UK and the United States as far as reselling goes, but there's a whole bunch of similarities too. Like a whole bunch. Like most of the stuff Nick sells over there would do just fine here too. And I picked up a ton from him. Picked up a ton of motivation too. And he's still at it. I think he told me, I was chatting with him the other day, he told me they just hit 10 years on YouTube, which is amazing. They are some of the OG people. They are as genuine as it comes and very cool. I recommend y'all give him a watch for sure. Go check the channel out. Good, just really genuinely good people. And I'm bringing that up now because there is a contest that eBay is running. They have all of these. I'm going to link to it. But they have all of these different categories. Like, let's see, 6 different categories. And Nick and Andrea Hills are in the community contribution category, the first category as you scroll down. And it has a little quick bio about them, and it has a link to their eBay store right there. And then there are 5 others that are competing in that category. The winner gets 10 grand. 10,000, I don't know if it's euro. I think it's pounds. I think it's 10,000 pounds they get because it's UK stuff. And there are a lot of other categories here to vote on. We've already voted. If you haven't voted yet and you're not going to vote for one of these other people, I would ask y'all to consider voting for The Hills Are Alive, Nick and Andrea Hills, because I would like them to win that big prize because they're good people. They deserve it. If you don't want to take my word for it, go check out a few of their videos, see what you think. But if you are willing to take my word for it, just go click on that link that's right down below, and then you can vote in our business awards in this little thing up here. And we've already voted, so we can't vote again. But yeah, if y'all would help Nick out, that would be awesome. And go give Nick a watch. Nick and Andrea Hills a watch. So yeah, that is going to be it for this one. Thanks a bunch for watching, and we will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.